Hello guys, welcome back to Zik the Programming Gacha channel. My name is Beachways, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to fix can't change date of birth on TikTok. Right, so if you are trying to change your birthday on TikTok but it has been failing, you just have to go to your profile just like this and click on the three horizontal line above your screen. You click on settings and privacy just like this, and you click on account and account information. So this is where your information is. So once you click on the birthday date and you see can't change date of birth on TikTok, all you need to do is you just have to go back and go to your phone settings again, your TikTok settings, sorry, and you go down to help center. So once you're in help center, you can decide to chat with them, right, and tell them change birthday. So you'll be asked and be told what to do. You can see, so you just read through and try to edit it. If this guide was helpful, give this a thumbs up and you can subscribe to get more helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching guys. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.